Hi everyone, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon Community. My name is Arceli, and if you are new, make sure and check out my How to Coupon video to get the basic concept of couponing, as I utilize stacking savings and rebate apps to maximize my savings, and also some quick couponing tips to be mindful of. First tip, be organized and set a budget for items you plan on shopping for. Second tip, don't forget to clip all digital coupons to your Walgreens app before heading to the store. And finally, understand the type of promotion and what rewards you'll be receiving, as you don't want to leave Walgreens without your savings or rewards. In today's video, I will be going over this week's deals starting on June 11th through June 17th. Now, I did receive a few digital spend coupons. Earn $12 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. There's also earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $30 in healthy summer products, and earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Walgreens beauty and personal products. Plus, there's a month-long digital coupon that tracks your purchases, and if you spend a certain dollar amount for each purchase, you will earn extra Walgreens cash. And that will track through the end of the month. So check to see what digital spend coupons you received this week and load it to your Walgreens account, as it is a one-time use, and also it does vary by account, as not all accounts will receive a digital spend coupon. However, there's also a paper spend coupon that you can also use to also earn Walgreens cash. And yes, the paper and the digital spend coupons do stack together, but you must use the Pay Now option on your Walgreens app to make this happen. And this right here is where you earn extra Walgreens cash from your purchases for a very low out-of-pocket. And also, just a quick reminder of the P&G rebate. It started back on April 2nd and is good through purchases made through June 30th. Plus, it allows 2 submissions per household. So make sure you have your receipts ready to submit for reimbursement. So let's go ahead and get started with a few deals of the week. When you buy participating items, you'll earn back a registry reward or Walgreens cash for that promotion. And you must do these deals in separate transactions and must do them in store to earn that registry reward for that promotion. Starting off with the Charm and Bounty promotion, on sale for $5.49 each, and on promotion when you buy 4, you get a $5 registry reward. There are a couple of 50-cent digital coupons available, so you'll pay $20.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, and a $5 P&G Visa gift card since your out-of-pocket is over $20, making your final cost $10.96 or $2.74 each. Next up, a deodorant deal. Dove is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and on promotion when you spend $20, you'll earn $5 in Walgreens cash. I am showing a couple of digital coupons, one for $4 off and another one for $2.50 off, bringing your out-of-pocket to $14.91. However, you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash, plus $4 back from Ibotta, and $2.50 from coupons.com for the deodorant that didn't have a coupon attached, making the final cost $3.41 or 85 cents each. Next is a deal on Garnier Fructis, on sale for 2 for $8, and on promotion buy 2 get a $4 registry reward. There's a $3 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $5 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward, making the final cost $1 or 50 cents each. Moving on to a couple of diaper deals. Pampers are on sale, 2 for $23, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon, so your out-of-pocket will be $31.50 when buying 3, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, a $5 P&G Visa gift card since you are spending over $20, plus $4.50 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $17 or $5.66 each. Or if you need pull-ups, they're also on sale for 2 for $21, and on promotion when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $4 off digital coupon, so your out-of-pocket will be $27.50 when you buy 3, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, $6 back from Ibotta, plus 1,000 kicks from ShopKicks, making the final cost $12.50 or $4.16 each. And also submit to Fetch, as there is a Huggies Rewards program where you earn points and receive gift cards after a certain dollar amount. A good razor deal. Schick and Skintimate products are on promotion. When you spend $20, you get $5 in Walgreens cash. There are a couple of digital coupons, one for $4.50 and another one for $1.50 off. So you'll pay $16.67 out of pocket, but you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash from the promotion, $4 back from coupons.com for the razor that didn't have a coupon apply, plus $4 back from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.67 or $1.23 each. Moving on to a couple of laundry deals. First is Gain is on sale, and on promotion when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. There are a couple of digital coupons for $2 off, one for the liquid and the other one for the pods. So your out-of-pocket will be $15.98, but you'll get back a $4 registry reward for the promotion. So it's going to make the final cost $11.98 or $5.99 each. Or if you prefer Tide products, on sale for $5.49 each, and on promotion when you buy 4 you get a $5 registry reward. There are 4 $1 digital coupons available, so you'll pay $17.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back that $5 from the promotion, making the final cost $12.96 or $3.24 each. Next deal on the Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray is on sale for $4.99 each, and on promotion when you buy 4 you get a $4 registry reward. There is a $2 digital coupon available, so you'll pay $17.96 when you buy 4 products, but you'll get back the $4 registry reward, making the final cost $13.96 or $3.49 each. Cascade products are on sale for $5.49 each, and on promotion when you buy 4 you get a $5 registry reward. There are 2 50-cent off digital coupons, so you'll pay $20.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back $5 registry reward from the promotion, and a $5 P&G Visa gift card since you are paying over $20, making the final price $10.96 or $2.74 each. Scott Paper products are on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. There are 2 $1 digital coupons available, so you'll pay $5.50 out of pocket. So that's going to make the final cost $5.50 or $2.75 each. Another laundry deal on All and Snuggle products are on sale for $3.99 each. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon, plus Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, making the final cost $1.74 for some all detergent. Moving on to some online and miscellaneous deals, starting off on Maybelline eye products. So they're on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. There is a $7 off digital coupon, making the final cost $3.48 or $1.79 each. And also a deal on Maybelline lip products. Baby lips are on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and there's a $5 off digital coupon, making the final cost $2.18 or $1.09 each. Next is a good deal on Nivea Shave Foam, on sale for $3.79, and there is a $2.50 digital coupon, making the final cost $1.29. Next are a couple of freebies deals online. The Airwick, just the plug-in, it's on sale for $1.99, and there's a digital coupon making it free. And Completes is on clearance for 79 cents, and with the $1 digital coupon, it's adjusting and making this product free. Moving on to miscellaneous deals, starting out with a few grocery deals. They're on sale for buy one, get one free. So for example, when you buy 2 of the Oscar Mayer, the final cost is $4 or $2 each. Raisin Bran cereal, when you buy 2, that's going to make the final cost $4.29 or $2.14 each. Or when you buy 2 Cheez-Its, the final cost is $3.99 or $1.99 each. Next is Finish dishwasher, on sale for $5.49. After the $1 off digital coupon and $1.25 back from Ibotta, it's going to make the final cost $3.24. And Lysol laundry sanitizer is on sale for $6.49. And after the 50 cents off digital coupon and $2.50 back from Ibotta, it's going to make the final cost $3.49. And a few more laundry deals. If you like Purex, the larger bottle is on sale for $9.49. After $3 off digital coupon, it's going to make the final cost $6.49. Or if you prefer Armor Hammer, the laundry detergent is on sale for $1.99, and after the $1 off digital coupon, it's going to make the final cost 99 cents, and that's actually the lowest I've seen this product go, so definitely a stock up price. And there is a gift card deal this week, so looking ahead up to the upcoming holidays, birthdays, and even Christmas. When you buy 2 gift cards for specific stores, you're going to get a $10 Walgreens gift card back. But just keep in mind, gift cards are not included in spend deals. And finally, with my spend coupon that I received this week of spend $50, earn $12 in Walgreens cash, there are so many good deals this week, but I decided to combine the Tide, Garnier, the Schick Skintimate promotions, plus I added in a Dawn Power Wash to qualify for the $5 P&G Visa gift card. So after the $15 in digital coupons apply, my out-of-pocket will be $42.62, which is definitely a high out-of-pocket for me, but I will be getting back a $5 register reward from the Tide promotion, $5 P&G Visa gift card, a $4 register reward for the Garnier promotion, $5 in Walgreens cash for the Schick Skintimate promotion, $4 back from coupons.com, $4 back from Ibotta, and don't forget about the $12 in Walgreens cash for spending $50. So it's going to make the final cost $3.62 for all 10 products here, which is definitely a win-win in my book, and I need all these products this week. So I'm going to end my video here. Feel free and leave me a comment down below what deals you're interested in we'll be doing this week. And if you like these type of videos, make sure and click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell for future videos. Thanks everyone. Bye.